cars, as a Super Grand Tourer, the cockpit is largely driver orientated. We've got the F1 derived flappy panel gearbox, we've got the revometer in the middle there, going up to 10,000 RPM, with the speedometer nestled in the right most under the hood design. And then the Maranello switch to select driving modes to suit ice, low grip conditions, sports, race, and then finally on the far right, the all-out CST mode, which arrests all driving aids except ABS braking. The owner of the car, Dom, is not available for filming, but huge thanks to Dom for kind of lending us the car for today. What I'm going to do is hand the car over to Dan, who knows the car much better than me, and he's going to be able to put it through its paces. So then, largest engine displacement we've had on the channel so far, 5.9 litres. Thank you for joining me and Dan on this gorgeous day as we are sat in a Ferrari 599 GTB. There we go.
Just forget how much speed you build up so quick,
yeah.
how quick you have to be on the brake.
Now it is only going to be a quick video as we are limited for time, but we wanted to give you an insight into the 599. Now GTB comes from Gran Turismo and then Berlinetta, which is paying homage to the company's history. It's a V12 5.9 litre and it sounds absolutely sensational. Now in the 599 the horses are very much leading the car, the power plant is at the front. Even as a passenger I can feel the acceleration and the responsiveness of the engine is absolutely superb. And then on to a top speed of 210 not long after.